Hello everyone, my name is Grishnu Bangare and today's date is 3rd of August 2021 and today's video topic is methods of Arraylist and linked list. So before discussing about the methods of the Arraylist and linked list, we discuss about the few points of the Arraylist and linked list. The Arraylist is a class that uses a dynamic array for storing the element. It is like an array, but it has a no size of limit. Means we can add or remove any element or add at any time. So let's discuss the methods of the array list. So first method is the add method. The add method and it takes the two parameters. First is index and second one is the element. It's used to insert the specific element at the specific position in the list. So means when we have a array list and we need to add a five, let's say 5 element is 5 and we need to add this element at the index position 1. So by using the add method, by using this add method we can add the element 5 at the index position 1. So next method is the add method, and this method will have a boolean return type. Means it is used to add the element at the specific element at the end, means at the end of the at the end of the array list, and it will return the true and false if if this method add the element at the end of the array end of the list, then it will return true, else false. Then next method is the add-all methods. The add-all methods, it also takes the it also have the boolean return type. Means it will also return the true and false condition, and it is used to append all the elements in a specific collection to the end of this list, and in order that they have written by the specific collection iterator. Means suppose we have a linked list, and linked list have the specific there are 2 to 4 elements, there are a lot of element in the linked list. Then we need to add all the element from the linked list to the array list. Then you can use the add-all method, and the add-all method takes the collection list and add all the element from the list 2 to list 1. Means list 1 is of array list and list 2 is object of the linked list. So it all the element from the linked list object to the array list, and this element all all the elements at the end of the array list. So next method is the add-all method, and this add-all method will take two parameters. First one is index, at which we need to add the element, and the next one is a collection. Collection is a collection list, which may be array list, hash map list, or anything. It will also they have boolean return type. It also return true or false. If it add all the elements from the collection, it will return true, and if not, it will return false. Then next method is the clear method. The clear method is used to remove all the elements from the array list or linked list. This method is common in both, in array list also and linked list also. And next method is capacity method. This method is the ensure capacity, and it will take the parameter as a required capacity. Means it is used to enhance the capacity of the array list instance. Means when we need to take the default size of the array list is the 16. So we need to add the element up to 16. Then it will dynamically create the bigger size of the array using the load factor. Means by ensuring the at the start of the program we can assign the capacity to the array list. Next one is a get method. Next one is a get method. The get method takes the integer as a parameter, and it will return the specific value, specific element at a specific index. Means suppose we have a array list, and we have an element 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a sequential order. Then we need a element at the index 5 position. Then what is the element? Then it will check the element at the index position 4, and it will return the element 5. And the next method is the is empty method. The is empty method is check the whether the array is empty or not, and it will have a boolean return type. So it will return true if the list is empty and otherwise false. The next element is last index of method. The last index of method is also the similar to the string method, and it is used to return the index in that position in that list of the last occurrence of the specific element. If suppose the element which is we provided as a parameter in the last index of method, if it is not present, then it will return a -1 as a return. The next method is a toArray method. It means it is used to return the array containing all the elements from the array list or linked list. It is common in both the linked list and array list array list. It means if suppose we have a array of the array list and or linked list, then we need to convert all the elements from the array list to linked list, array list or linked list to the array. Then the toArray method is used to convert all the elements from the linked list or array list into the array. The next method is the clone method. The clone method is used to the return the shallow copy of the array list. Mean it will return the it will return the copy of the array list. Next is the content methods. The content methods take the object O as a parameter, and it will also have the boolean return type, and it will return true if the list is contain the specific element, and if not, then it will return the false. The next is the index of means an index of method, and it will also take the object O, and it will use to return the specific return the index in this list of the first occurrence of the specific element. And if the element if the element does not present in the list, it will return the -1 value. The next one is the remove method. The remove method also takes the as a integer index as a parameter. Means it is used to take the index position at which we need to remove the element. And next is the remove all method. The remove all method is to remove all the elements from the list. There are also the similar types of methods like replace all, return all method. The next method is the set method. The set method is take the integer and the element and replace the specific element in the list and present at the specific position. Then sorting method. The sort method is used to sort the given array list in a specific on the basis of the specified comparator. So these are, and also there is a one method in size method. It will have the integer return type, and it will return the number of element present in the linked list. So these are all the methods of the array list. So we'll discuss about the methods of the linked list. The linked list also have the similar method to the array list, like add, which is take the index and element as a parameter, add all methods, which are similar. These are the similar method to the array list. There is another methods like add first. Means it will take the element as a parameter and used to insert the given element at the beginning of the list. Similar to the add first, there is one method add last. The add last method and add first method have a difference. They have in add first method, it will insert the given element at the beginning, and in case of add last, it will add the element at the end of the list. And the next method is the get method. The get method also is similar to the array list, which will take the integer and return the specific element at the specific index position. Then next is the get first method. The get first method is used to return the first element in the list, and get last method is used to return the last element from the list. There is another method. First method. It retries the first element in a list and return null if the list is empty. And next method is a poll method. It also retrieve and remove the first element of the list. So this is all about the methods of the linked list and array list. Thank you.